Hi there, this is Sarah White with OurDailyCraft.com, and today I want to show you how to make a pinch pot with air dry clay. I just made this log of air dry clay. There's a previous video and also a post on my blog about it, how to do air dry clay. It's really simple to make your own. It only takes 3 ingredients and probably about 5 or 6 minutes to make. You do have to let it cool a little bit. Listen to me on that one because I did kind of almost burn myself on it trying to make this video, but I'm just kneading it a tiny bit to smooth it out a little bit more. Air dry clay is really fun to use for kids and adults alike. I just prepare my surface with a piece of wax paper, and if you find that your dough is starting to stick at any point, you can use a little bit of cornstarch on the surface or on your hands to alleviate that. Now we're going to make a pinch pot, which is sort of the most basic clay working thing that you can do. So I literally just pinched off a little bit. We're going to make it into a ball so you can see about how much I've got there. So it's sort of like, I don't know what size ball that is, but it's just a nice little handful. And you want to start with a ball, and then it's called a pinch pot because you just kind of pinch the surface of the dough with your fingers and shape it as you go. I felt like a video was really good for this one because it's kind of hard to see what's happening if you're just taking still photos. So I'm kind of thinning it out along the bottom and the sides as I go. You can try to sort of smooth out the edges at the top if you want to, or you can leave it sort of more organic looking. You can obviously make these as big or small as you like. You can make it more of a bowl shape or a plate shape, whatever mood strikes you. But this is like the simplest thing that you can do with air dry clay. It's great to do with kids because everyone comes out a little different, and it's a lot of fun for them to see how it works. You know, if you don't like what you came up with, you can always squish it back and try again. I'm gonna make mine just a little bit taller up on the sides. And then when you're done, you just let it dry for at least 24 hours. Then you can paint it. You could color it with markers. You could do just about anything to decorate it that you like, or leave it plain. And that is how you make a pinch pot using air dry clay. Simple, right?